Hi, I'm Faith and welcome to my speed clean and organize my kitchen video. I don't know if you noticed, but I'm cleaning in a different kitchen because we just recently moved. I'll be honest with you, in this new chapter of my life, I'm relearning on how to have a tidy home. Right now, I need to focus on decluttering and organizing my house so I can make better cleaning routines that actually keep my house clean. So with that goal in mind, I decided to take baby steps. First, I'm going to clean, declutter, and organize my kitchen. I'm not going to do all of this in one day. So today, I'll start by speed cleaning my kitchen and organizing one drawer that has been on my mind since we moved. You'll know what I mean at the end of this video. So far, I managed to clear our kitchen table. We love eating, reading, and working at this table, so it always gets messy. Then I wiped the chairs and cleared all the counters. This way all the dirty dishes are either in the sink or by the sink. The next step is to unload the dishwasher. This literally takes me 2 minutes to do. Now I'm going to rinse all the dirty dishes and put them in the dishwasher. I personally like to keep the dirtiest dishes in the sink so they can soak while I'm rinsing the other dishes. After I load the dishwasher, I usually like to turn it on, but 95% of the time, I never get to turn on the dishwasher because I have 3 little helpers that love to help. Today, I ran out of dish soap, so my oldest wanted to refill the soap bottle. While he refilled the bottle, I washed the remaining dishes by hand. My next cleaning step was to wipe the counter and the stove. I love using Method's all-purpose spray. It's pretty and it smells really good. After I wiped the stove, I started to wipe the microwave. In our previous house, I didn't have a microwave, so I'm not used to cleaning microwaves. Today, I just quickly wiped the microwave and I made sure to wipe underneath it as well. Now I'm washing and rinsing our kitchen sink. In our previous house, I could simply just rinse the sink with soapy water and it looked nice and clean. Rinsing this sink with water always left water spots all over the sink, which made it look dirty. So I started to wipe the sink with a microfiber cloth to get rid of any water. This made the sink look shiny, which made me happy. I grabbed a new clean microfiber cloth and I'm going to go around and wipe most of the surfaces in the kitchen. This includes the counter, dishwasher, oven door, and the refrigerator. Today, our kitchen garbage bin was full, so I took out the garbage and disinfected the garbage can. The next step is to put a clean towel on the counter, and I make sure to stay hydrated while I'm cleaning. One of my goals for 2019 was to drink more water. Now let's start organizing. Today I want to show you the messiest drawer in my kitchen. This is literally our dumping drawer. Our previous kitchen had about 7 drawers, and this kitchen has 2 drawers. So it's a big change for me because I didn't know how to organize my kitchen things. Then I found 2 organizing drawers at the store, and I knew exactly where to put them. The first step in organizing is to take everything out of the drawer, then quickly wipe it clean. Afterwards, I went through the pile and I kept what needed inside the drawer. Other items I either relocated or got rid of. Now I can finally open the drawer without cringing. My next organizing step is to clear the counter. I need to find a new place for our fruits, and that means I need to declutter and reorganize my pantry. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see the process. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye!